In YouTube, if you're posting to your community, did you know that you could schedule those posts? Let me show you how. Hi, I'm Michelle, the computer coach here, sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life just that little bit easier. So here I am in YouTube, and you can see I'm on my channel and I'm in the community section. I've created a poll and I am not going to click post. I'm actually going to click on the three dots next to it, which then gives me the option schedule post. Click on that and you can see it extends down and now says what time and date would you like to publish this. So I am going to choose Tuesday the 6th, and I want to not to do it at midnight. Let's set that for 11:30 a.m. and you can see it's my local time, so I can also click there and I can scroll down and choose different options. So I'm going to leave it as my local time. And you can see my post button has now changed to schedule. Now if I don't want to do this, I can click on the X, but I do want to schedule it, so I'm just going to click schedule and it's now saving that, and if I go to the scheduled list you'll see it there at the bottom. So that's all ready to schedule. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to be notified as more videos are released, remember to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.